Alright, folks, here comes Amtrak San Joaquin train 716. Final destination of that train is Bakersfield. Here it comes. Another Bakersfield train now approaching. Yep, it is 2009 F59 PHI. Looks like he got his paint peeling off of his nose. Alright, it is 2009 leading off. 2009 paint is coming off. Thank you for the horn show. Thank you. Thank you. 2009 leads off. 2009 with a property with 6964 Port Arena. Okay, folks, we'll be right back after these commercial breaks. All right, folks, this is Amtrak San Joaquin train 716 on its way to Bakersfield. This is it here. 6961 Port Arguella leads this one off. Port Arguella. Thank you. 6961 Port Arguella leads all this. PHI 2009 on that one. And there it goes, folks. That train is going to Bakersfield. Alright, folks, I'm Marcel Hall. Thank you for watching. Have a good Wednesday. So long, folks. Thank you for watching. Gotta love about Port Arguella, that CAD car, 6900 CAD car. That is so loud. So talk to you guys later. Bye bye.